Friedrich Ratzel, August 30, 1844 to August 9, 1904, was a German geographer and ethnographer, notable for first using the term Lebanese Rome, living space, in the sense that the National Socialist later would. His life. Ratzel's father was the head of the household staff of the Grand Duke of Baden. Friedrich attended high school in Karlsruhe for 6 years before being apprenticed at age 15 to apothecary. In 1863, he went to Rapperswil on the Lake of Zurich, Switzerland, where he began to study the classics. After a further year as an apothecary to Moors near Kerfeld in the Ruhr area, 1865 to 1866. He spent a short time at the high school in Karlsruhe and became a student of zoology at the universities of Heidelberg, Jena and Berlin. Finishing in 1868, he studied zoology in 1869, publishing Seen and Werden der Organisation Welt on Darwin. After the completion of his schooling, Ratzel began a period of travels that saw him transform from zoologist, biologist to geographer. He began field work in the Mediterranean, writing letters of his experiences. These letters led to a job as a traveling reporter for the Kölnischen Zeitung Köln Journal, which provided him the means for further travel. Ratzel embarked on several expeditions, the lengthiest and most important being his 1874 to 1875 trip to North America, Cuba, and Mexico. This trip was a turning point in Ratzel's career. He studied the influence of people of German origin in America, especially in the Midwest, as well as other ethnic groups in North America. He produced a written work of his account in 1876, studied and culture builder as Northern America, اللي هو profiles of cities and cultures in North America, which would help establish the field of culture geography. According to Ratzel, cities are the best place to study people because life is blended, compressed, and accelerated in cities, and they bring out the greatest, best, most typical aspects of people. Ratzel have traveled to cities such as New York, Boston, Philadelphia, Washington, Richmond, Charleston, New Orleans, and San Francisco. Upon his return in 1875, Ratzel became a lecturer in geography at the Technical High School in Munich. In 1876, he was promoted to assistant professor, then rose to full professor in 1880. While at Munich, Ratzel produced several books and established his career as an academic. In 1886, he accepted an appointment at Leipzig University. His lectures were widely attended, notably by the influential American geographer Ellen Charles Sembel.